Next one from Ben. How are your onions and shallots doing? Are they starting to bulb up? I haven't grown them for fall harvest before. Do you think day length sensitivity might result in smaller bulbs with the shallot varieties you have? So I was just up there and they're fantastic. Shallots are already like, I don't know, 2.5 inches big. Maybe I would say they vary 1 to 2.5 inches. So they're bulbing great. Red wing onions, same thing. I've got lots of onions here in my garden. All good, doing really well. Really happy with, I'm doing the Elliott Coleman style of planting where you plant them in clumps of 3. And then, so I'm doing 4 rows on a 30-inch bed, 6-inch chain pots, 3 seeds per cell, and it's working very well. And they're filling out and they're occupying all that space. Probably by September, you won't even see the soil because the onions will just all be touching each other.